Welcome to our daily movement session. Let's get started right away. Just nice and gentle. Tap the shoulder, reach the arm back. Let's wake up our bodies, build real energy, boost our mood for the day. We're gonna rejuvenate our health every single day we show up. Maybe you're being consistent and showing up daily. Maybe this is the first session in a while and you really do want to rejuvenate your health. It doesn't take hours in the gym. Just some light, gentle movement to start your day can begin to build incredible strength, mobility, and balance. We just do that one movement at a time. Start to sway the hips, wake up the lower body as well. Reach the arm back just a little bit further. Feel that in the shoulders, the upper back. Now take the same movement and let's just reach behind, bringing a nice twist in, building great mobility in our spine. Breathe into each movement. One breath can make all the difference. Head up high. Move with awe and wonder. Same move, now let's start to reach up. Reach back as far as you can. Breathe into it. Start to lift the foot so you can reach back a little bit further. Look behind you. Incredible neck mobility. Oh yeah. Okay. Whew. Interlace your fingers. Bring your hands overhead. And just a nice gentle side bend. Try to reach your arms back as far as you can. Feel that in the shoulders, in the upper back. And just bend to the side to the best of your abilities. Breathe into it. Oh, yes. Feel that in the lower back, in your obliques, the shoulders, full body. We're going to bring a little step to the side as well. Now we got the full body activated. Maybe we can bend just a little bit deeper now that we step to the side. Breathe, yeah. Ooh, one more. Excellent. Interlace your fingertips again. Pump the arms. Feel that strength in your biceps. Just simple movement. And then tap the heel. Let's get the full body going here. You go at your pace. Maybe you want to bring an element of pace into it. Really get that heart beating, the blood circulating. Head up high and just move. Feel that strength in your arms, in your legs. Ooh, yes. Couple more here. Brilliant. Ooh, shake that out. Shake it all out. Okay, arms overhead. Breathe in, breathe out. Come into prayer posture. Flat back if you can. And let's twist a couple times. Twist to the side and again. And rise up. Arms come up overhead. Look to the sky. And down again we go. Twist, twist, as deeply as you can. Just sink as low as is accessible for you. Rise up, hands overhead, look to the sky. And one more time, come on down. Remember to breathe. Just meet me where you're at. Just move to the best of your abilities. Come on up, reach up, hold it there for just a moment. Float the hands down. Ooh. Bring our fingertips, clasp the hands again together again. Push out this time. Keep your arms up nice and high. Breathe into the move. And now let's start to step back. Just tap to toe, full body. Head up high, find a spot on the horizon. Bring all your attention to this movement. We're developing real focus, the ability to pay attention. What a gift. The greatest thing we have is our attention and where we direct it. Bring it here now. Real strong in the shoulders and the upper back. Maybe you tap that foot out just a little further back. Oh, couple more. Yes. Oh, let's shake. Move about your space. Come up onto the balls of your feet. Keep the heels off the ground. Shake your arms. Let everything go real relaxed and loose. A nice playful shake of the body, building circulation. That inner energy that's going to carry us through the day as we maintain this incredibly positive mindset. No matter what happens in our day, it's our day. We're not going to let anything outside of us ruin it. Okay, let's be real playful with this next movement. Gonna slide the foot and reach up high. Slide your toe when you come over and reach up. Feel your toe sliding across the ground. We're building some mobility here, some real flexibility and balance, but attention. Feel your toe slide across the ground and reach up. Slide over, reach up. Breathe. Breathe in, out. Oh, breathe in and out. Reach up a little bit higher. Yeah. Feel your back decompressing. Oh, feel all that strength and power you possess. Ooh, just move with wonder and awe. Allow the endorphins to release. Bring a smile to your face. Movement is awesome. Oh, one last one here. Oh, brilliant. Whew. Strong legs, sharp mind. Just real simple. Good morning. Beautiful. Swing the arms up. Come to prayer and just squat as low as you can. There's always time to say good morning to the neighbors. Just come down as deep as you can. Swing the arms up into prayer. Maybe a little bit of gratitude when you're here. Ah, I woke up today. How amazing. Ooh, I get to live another day. How blessed. All those other things become not so important when you realize the number one thing is we're alive. Couple more here. Maybe you sink just a little bit deeper. Last one. Oh, yes. Let's continue with our prayer posture here and build a little bit of balance. So this can look differently for each of us. Maybe you just want to tap the toe. Just stand with real integrity, shoulders back, head up high. Just this last movement of the session. But maybe you'd like to bring the legs to the side and balance here. Engage the core. You're welcome to close your eyes and try. Just do what works best for you. But just bring real presence into it. Pick a spot on the horizon, look there, and bring all your attention, all your awareness right here, right now. You know you're building amazing balance, core stability, mobility, strength. But what about the ability to have laser-like focus, to pay attention, to remove distractions? Ooh. The leg comes up a little higher. We feel it in the hips. Indeed. Okay. And yes. Thank you so much for being here. Just keep showing up for yourself. We can rejuvenate our health every single day. We just move a little, meditate a little, breathe a little. It does wonders for our mental, physical, and spiritual health. If you'd like to take a moment with me, let's do a visual meditation. Pick a spot and just focus on it for the next 30 seconds, 1 minute. Just laser-like attention, one spot. Just stand at real attention. Just pick that spot. Give it all your focus, all of your attention. Watch the monkey mind. It will wander off. Just gently guide it back and focus on that one spot. We can build attention, the ability to avoid distractions, one practice at a time. Hallelujah. Life is good. Go have the most remarkable day. There'll be a link in the comment section if you'd like to work with me one-on-one, a free 5-day tiny challenge. Maybe we can help you to remove some of the negative habits and build some more positive ones. Check it out. Thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.